to dance around the sun. Queen Esther's light, it shines on everyone. Your laughter's gold.
You guys, I just got back from where I went to bring my car. I went to the mechanic to bring my car because the car is ready. I told the guy it's just a minor fault, right? So the mechanic has already repaired it. I told Obi to come and take it. So Obi came back from work and I saw that he's really tired. I said, don't worry, I'll go and bring it by myself. You guys, I went to bring my car only for Obi to be saying, they don't fine you, they give you fine. And I'm like, which fine? I thought my husband was pranking me because tomorrow is my birthday. I said, maybe he want to prank me. Lo and behold, he's not prank. It's not prank. These people decided to ruin my birthday for me. The same birthday I've been gathering energy for. They just brought my energy from 100 to 0. Thing just wake me. These people gave me almost €700 fine to pay within 60 days. This fine is tax return. You guys know I worked around 2022. So the tax for that year, according to what is stated here, the tax I paid was not complete. So they did not see 2024, the whole of 2024 to bring this fine for me. It's today that they decided to bring this fine for me. Tomorrow is my birthday. And they are telling me that I need to pay up within 60 days. You guys, I'm just tired. I first of all laughed at the fine. You guys cannot say it. It's almost €700 to pay within 60 days. Okay, I wish they said they want to pay me this money within 60 days. I'll be happy. But this one, I mean, won't pay them. I'm paying the government. God, I'm so angry. Anyways, we have to pay. I don't even have choice. But my only annoyance is that why did they not bring it last year? This thing is since 2023, for crying out loud. They would have brought it last year now, or the beginning of this year. Why did they not bring it? It's today of all day they decided to come and find me. This is the day the Lord has made. Rejoice and be glad. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma eat what I like. Hey, you guys, I'm so excited. I woke up to my siblings bombasting my WhatsApp. Like, my WhatsApp right now has crashed. Everywhere has crashed though. I'm so excited for another year. God has given me the privilege to celebrate another year in good health, and that is something I'm never taking for granted. I'm so glad that God gave me another chance to witness life again, coming out from a very terrible pregnancy experience alive. The incident that was meant to take my life, I am here standing stronger above every principalities and powers. So I'm really so excited for this birthday right now, more than I ever was. Diana, don't reduce my steals, please. It's Mama's birthday. Anyways, I'm going for an appointment to see my consultant. I spoke with her the other day and she said I should come for a control, and it fell on my birthday morning. So I'm going there. And from there, I'll book an appointment for Diana. Diana, must you cry? Must you cry? Oh yeah, say something. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. So, I am about to leave the house. I just decided to start up this vlog and let you guys know that it's my birthday. Say a word of prayer for me in the comment section. I will see you guys when I get back because I'm still going to cook today. We don't have food at home. Hey guys, I just finished cooking. My vegetable is ready. Hubby will soon be back. So, see, it's so tasty. Sadly, I might not even be eating the soup. I made broccoli for myself. I'm going to be having broccoli this evening. My weight loss journey. Guys, who says you cannot lose weight while breastfeeding? You guys, I'm getting there. I went to the control I told you guys about. So I used the opportunity to check my weight before. No, when I already started, because I had not checked my weight before I started the weight loss. So when I already started, I think few days later or few days into it, I decided to check my current weight at that time. And it was 86.2 kg. I printed the paper. I will show you guys. Maybe I'll put on the screen. Then today, guess what? My consultant checked my weight and I'm 81, which means I've lost total of 5 kg. I'm excited. Hope he's back. I just came back. I'm hearing his sound. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm so tired. Need to go and pour water. I was filming for you guys. I just finished cooking. Hobby came. Hello. Wait, oh, hey. Diana. Diana! Wait! Diana, wait. Diana, wait! Wait, I beg. No. Hey!
Stop shouting now. And stop
Jesus! The neighbor should go and sit down. Wait! Wait, oh. Hey! No, man, not reduce my steez.
You deserve it.
Jesus Christ. Take one. Take one. Jesus. Wait, I knew you were up to something, but I never thought about this. So,
Nah, this one is, you deserve this.
where is your phone? You guys, an iPhone. Jasmine, leave the road now. Jasmine. Do you know what your daddy bought for me? And wait, iPhone what?
Which one is that?
Baby. iPhone 16 Pro Max. I bet which year we did?
The top quality.
Wait, so we did July 2025, and we are in which iPhone? iPhone 15.
16. 16 Pro Max, the top.
Wait, so am I dreaming? Wait, if this is a dream, I don't want to wake up. Oh, come and pinch me. Just like, are you jealous? Wait, if I open.
What is it?
Baby.
Yeah? What are you checking?
The price.
You deserve it now.
Jesus.
How much is that? Apple 16 Pro now, 500G. The top. That's the top.
iPhone 16 Pro Max
500G.
You guys.
It's not too
Most man don't kill me. Jesus. Hey gang. Joyce, why are you crying? Are you not happy for your mother?
So, again,
You're picking on the jealous. You guys. I got an iPhone.
That is the top, highest.
See,
No
wait.
other one that is more.
I
is
knew
the
you were
highest.
up to something, no? To be honest. I knew you were up to something. But I never knew an iPhone 16 Pro Max was coming. You guys.
So,
New phone. iPhone 16 Pro Max. You bought the charger head as well.
yeah, I bought that one different.
Eh?
I bought it different. It's original.
I bought it different.
Yeah, it's expensive. It's original.
You guys, 500 and something gigabytes.
That's the highest. That's the highest.
I don't think it's there. I think there's one.
No,
one
no, it's the highest.
It's the highest.
Yeah. I asked. No, that's the highest. It's the highest. The list is 250, a bit 250. It's 500.
And I'm always complaining about space. No more space disturbance from iPhone again. Hopefully. Jasmine is just crying. She's jealous. She said her father did not get time. Yeah, come on, take Mama's phone. Come on, take my phone. Yeah, take.
That is the highest.
I think it's 1T something.
I don't know, but as I said, that is the highest.
For
I don't know.
I'm speechless. I am completely blown away. I didn't see this coming.
I want to buy my wife the highest phone ever. I got there. I said, give me the highest iPhone with the highest gig.
Yes.
And he said, that is it.
You sure I go sleep this night? So just I go sleep this night.
Papiton.
I don't go sleep. Oh,
Papiton.
let me on it.
I've not on it too. Maybe you try. I don't know how it is.
I just turned it on. You guys. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Just believe it. Thank you so much. Come, let me hug you. That's bad though. I didn't see this coming.
I'm tired.
Come, let me hug you.
Why are you looking at me? I'm hot. I want to on the AC. Yeah, it's well deserved. Man. You deserve it. So, and it's an investment. So, I'm investing on you.
What's not saying they invest on me? This is beautiful. Bye bye to my old iPhone. The last time I bought phone was 2021. So just imagine the gap and why I'm so excited for this phone. I have been having issues with my iPhone and this one just came right on time. Baby, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys help me to thank my husband. iPhone 16 Pro Max, so 500 gigabytes. No complaint for space whatsoever again. I'm so excited. You see me, I'm screaming. You don't know how excited I am. Oh my God, when the next day birthday quick come home. Next year I'm going to be 30. Hey, when next year quick come home.
No, maybe we'll buy car.
Jesus. Baby, thank you. Hey, baby, thank you so much. Oh. Just come on, me to say thank you to your daddy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hip. I'm 29.
Mama, he's off it.
How old are you now? Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Blow your candle.
My husband filmed a video for me to add to my vlog, but I need to coach this man, teach him how to how to properly film a video. Apparently, he went with his friend, although I suspected that he was up to something, but I never knew he was going to get me a phone, because a few months ago he just bought me a car. You guys already know. So he bought iPhone 16 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. So this is the person that convinced him and told him that it's the highest. It's not the highest. So my husband had to put screen guard. If you're an OG here, you know that my phone, I always repair my screen display, so he had to put screen guard. I am so grateful for this phone because it's so helpful. So we went to dinner around the beach area, but I couldn't vlog because Diana and her sister really dealt with me. So going to the restaurant with baby, you guys, I don't recommend. It's not easy. Anyways, after which we went to this relaxation center and Jasmine wanted to play, so we paid €5 for her to like have fun, enjoy with other kids.
Another circle round the sun, breathe it 6-5, the clock has spun. Your laughter's a melody we all hum. The Queen's Day has finally come. Mom and wife, your crown shines bright, blessed beyond this earthly flight. It's her day, Queen Esther, rise and shine. Every moon and every star aligns. Beautiful soul, you light the way. Happy birthday, you're special